Technology is evolving rapidly, and it's time to let everyone, including kids, enjoy some futuristic toys that are both fun and innovative. Whether you're zooming around in a mini race car or programming a high-tech robot, there's something for everyone. From miniature sports cars to robots that can be controlled with your smartphone, here are 12 of the coolest gadgets you'll want to check out. 1. Ninebot Go-Kart Pro. Let's start with an absolute game-changer for race car enthusiasts, the Ninebot Go-Kart Pro. This isn't just any go-kart, it's a futuristic racing machine built with precision engineering. Equipped with a high-end brushless motor made of copper coils, it minimizes resistance and heat loss, ensuring maximum speed and power. Its unique TPE rear tires allow you to drift effortlessly, providing an authentic racing experience. Designed for both beginners and pros, this go-kart comes with an immersive engine sound simulator that makes you feel like you're driving a real race car. The Ninebot Go-Kart Pro truly takes go-karting to the next level, giving you a thrilling ride with safety and control. 2. Tilt 5 Augmented Reality Game Board. The classic board games we grew up with have been given a futuristic upgrade. Enter the Tilt 5 Augmented Reality Game Board, where technology brings your favorite games to life in a whole new way. The system features glasses that offer a private view of the game, preventing anyone from cheating. With micro-reflectors embedded in the game board, each player sees a personalized view, giving a unique experience to everyone involved. Perfect for multiplayer fun, the Tilt 5 creates a truly immersive and interactive gaming environment that's perfect for family or friends to enjoy together. 3. Smartphone-controlled paper airplanes. Who didn't love making paper airplanes as a kid? Well, now you can take that nostalgia and elevate it with the smartphone-controlled paper airplanes. These aren't your average paper planes. They come with an award-winning design and Bluetooth smart technology that lets you control your plane with your smartphone. With a range of 55 meters, this gadget lets you perform high-flying tricks, all while being crash-proof and incredibly fun. Simply tilt your phone left or right to control the plane's direction, and use the throttle button to control its altitude. Say goodbye to traditional paper planes and embrace this high-tech version instead. 4. Iron Man Robot. Calling all Avengers fans, this one is for you. The Iron Man robot brings the iconic superhero to life like never before. This robot has a retractable faceplate, allowing you to swap faces and even switch out Tony Stark's head for another character. But that's not all. Equipped with an accelerometer, gyroscope, and infrared meter, the Iron Man robot can walk without falling or crashing into objects. The coolest feature? An augmented reality (AR) app that lets you control the robot from your smartphone. As you progress, you can unlock more weapons and armor, making it stronger with each battle. If you're a fan of Marvel and robots, this toy is a must-have. 5. Trainer Bot. If you love ping pong, the Trainer Bot is your perfect companion. This robot shoots ping pong balls for you to practice with, so you don't need an opponent. The Trainer Bot connects to a smartphone app, letting you adjust the speed, spin, and style of each shot. Whether you're practicing forehands, backhands, or smashes, this gadget adapts to your skill level. What's even cooler is the Trainer Bot's portability. You can easily take it with you, and despite its small size, it provides the kind of performance you'd expect from much larger machines. It's a great way to hone your skills and become a pro at ping pong. 6. Vertego. Here's something unique. The Vertego, a high-tech pogo stick that combines exercise with fun. This advanced pogo stick lets you jump several feet into the air while giving your body a great workout. With adjustable air pressure, it's suitable for people of all weights, so everyone can enjoy the ride. Manufactured in Southern California, the Vertego ensures safety and a high-quality experience, letting you take it anywhere and hop around with ease. If you're looking to get fit while having fun, this is the gadget for you. 7. Smart Nano Drone. Compact and powerful, meet the Smart Nano Drone. This palm-sized drone is perfect for capturing high-resolution aerial footage without the hassle of a bulky device. You can control it using your smartphone, and the tilt mode allows you to adjust its direction by tilting your phone. Despite its small size, the drone packs a punch, giving you stable, smooth footage that's perfect for photography and videography. 8. Spider Pi. Creepy, cool, and incredibly smart, the Spider Pie is an intelligent hexapod robot that can follow you around your house. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, it can detect and bypass obstacles, making it capable of navigating through tight spaces with ease. The Spider Pie can also follow objects it sets its eye on, making it a perfect tool for monitoring your pets while you're away. Programmers will appreciate its customizable features thanks to its Raspberry Pi controller. This is a fantastic gadget for anyone interested in coding or robotics, offering endless opportunities to learn and play. 9. HHD H6. Imagine a drone that can transform and drive on land. Well, the HHD H6 makes this dream a reality. This hybrid drone operates both in the air and on the ground, transforming its propellers into wheels when it's time to drive. It can work from a distance of 40-50 meters and features a one-key return function to ensure it never gets lost. With its ability to hover and deliver ultra-smooth footage, the HHD H6 is perfect for filming action-packed scenes whether you're flying or driving. And at just $60, it's an affordable, versatile gadget for any tech enthusiast. 10. Ganker. Next up, meet Ganker, a customizable robot designed for hours of entertainment. This robot lets you change its colors and faceplates to make it truly your own. It's highly programmable, so you can tweak it to meet your preferences and needs. The Ganker is perfect for multiplayer matches, allowing you to link up with friends and engage in thrilling battles. Unlike traditional robot fighting games, the Ganker uses sensors to detect hit intensity and health, preventing wear and tear on the robot. It's an innovative and fun way to enjoy robotics and multiplayer gaming. 11. Silverlit Robot. Chameleon. The Silverlit Robot Chameleon is a fantastic alternative to a pet for younger children. This playful robot mimics the movements of a real chameleon, changing colors and even sticking out a tongue to push obstacles. Its tongue is magnetized, allowing it to pick up metallic objects just like a real chameleon. This robot is controlled with a remote, making it easy for kids to interact with. It's fun, educational, and a great way to introduce children to robotics, all while providing the joys of pet ownership without the responsibility. 12. Bellabot. Finally, we have Bellabot, a smart robotic waiter designed to enhance the dining experience. This adorable robot not only serves food, but also brings a touch of personality to the restaurant or hotel environment. It can carry up to 10 kilograms of food and navigate obstacles smoothly thanks to its sensors. Plus, its interactive screen adds a fun element, as it meows when delivering food or responds to petting. With its charming personality and efficient service, Bellabot is the future of hospitality. It's a must-have for anyone looking to add a bit of fun to their business while improving customer satisfaction. From drones that transform to robots that mimic real animals, these futuristic gadgets bring a new level of fun and innovation to the world of toys and technology. Whether you're looking for something to entertain, educate, or just make life a bit more exciting, there's no shortage of cool tech gadgets to choose from. What's your favorite gadget from this list? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching.